The most valuable skill you can build today isn't coding, writing, or business. It's the ability to learn new things quickly. Every skill has an expiration date. Technology changes, industries evolve, and the people who keep adapting are the ones who stay ahead. If you master the skill of learning, you can switch careers, pick up new hobbies, solve unfamiliar problems, and keep up with whatever comes next. So instead of asking, how do I master this one skill? Ask a better question. How do I become someone who can master almost anything? The answer has very little to do with talent and a lot to do with your daily routine. Relying on motivation is a losing strategy. It disappears the moment you're tired, stressed, or distracted. A system doesn't care how you feel. That's why it keeps working. Instead of chasing one huge goal, make your target small enough to repeat every day. Set aside 30 minutes and treat that time as non-negotiable. Put your phone away, turn off notifications, close the extra tabs, and focus on one thing until the timer ends. What you do daily matters more than what you do occasionally. Once your routine is in place, use this 4-step loop to learn any skill. First, find the fundamentals. Don't try to consume everything. Find the small group of ideas that explains most of the topic. Learn those first and ignore the rest until later. Second, start using the skill immediately. Reading creates the feeling of progress, but practice creates actual progress. Open the software, pick up the pen, build something simple, make mistakes while the stakes are low. Third, get feedback. Practicing without feedback is like trying to fix your hair without a mirror. Use quizzes, checklists, AI, teachers, or friends to point out mistakes. The faster you find errors, the faster you improve. Fourth, spread out your practice. Your brain remembers better with repeated sessions than with one long marathon. Study. Take a break, come back tomorrow, then review again a few days later. That's how information sticks. This process matters because every skill has a point where improvement slows down. At the beginning, progress feels fast. Then it levels off and it feels like nothing is changing. That's where learning gets frustrating. You're putting in the work, but you can't see much progress, and most people take that as a sign to quit. Keep showing up anyway. Learning is often invisible before it becomes obvious. If you want to speed things up, use 3 simple habits. Explain the idea out loud to check whether you actually understand it. Build tiny projects instead of collecting endless notes. And keep one notebook or app where all your best ideas live so you never waste time searching for the same information twice. Mastery isn't a shortcut or a hidden trick. It's the result of repeating the right process long enough for it to compound. Keep adding skills, one at a time. And if you want more practical ideas you can actually use, consider subscribing for the next one.